Happy Tuesday, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I do feel like there's not been as many great job leads the last few weeks. We had some good ones last week, but of course, I did not post yesterday because I only post when I feel that I have seen things that are worth posting. But today, that is what we have. I have some jobs to share where you'll be like reviewing loan files, documents, things like that. We have Zillow hiring. I have jobs where you will be booking travel. H&R Block is even hiring for a seasonal position. And I do have a company that is paying $32 an hour to work part-time responding to those social media comments. So we're going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need is always found in the YouTube description box below the video. And starting out first, we have well-known real estate giant Zillow hiring. Now, Zillow probably needs no introduction. They have 2,400 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. Zillow is looking for a mortgage production assistant. This is remote for the United States. And as a mortgage production assistant, you are there to help the loan process, making sure it goes accurate and complete with all people who are submitting loan documents. So you're taking these loan documents, you're reviewing them, preparing them, and submitting the complete loan files for underwriting review. So what happens when you get a mortgage, if you have not gotten a mortgage before, is that you have someone at the bank or financial institution that you provide your documents to. They might ask for bank statements. They might ask for paycheck stubs. They might ask for all these different things. And that person gathers all that information. And when they have everything they need, then it goes to an underwriter. And the underwriter is the person who reviews it and says, yes, we'll approve you for a mortgage, or no, we will not. So the underwriter is the person that says yes or no, but you will be the person gathering all of the information that the underwriter needs to make that decision. So you're kind of determining if the documents are missing any information, identifying steps where you can kind of help streamline that loan process. You're just trying to make the underwriter's job as easy as possible. So you're reviewing like the income and things like that, the required credit and underwriting documentation before it actually goes to the underwriter. Now, this position is going to pay, depending on your location and experience, is anywhere from $22.20 an hour up to $33.40 an hour. And of course, no kind of college degree is needed. They're just looking for somebody who can manage their time well. You can multitask. You have strong organizational skills. You can work independently as well as part of a team. Of course, you've got to have great communication skills. Now, they are looking for somebody who has previous experience in some kind of mortgage production or similar role, or someone who's familiar with loan processes, documentation, things like that. Now, next up, we have the company BHG Financial hiring. They have 856 reviews from past and current employees. They also have a pretty high employee satisfaction rating at 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a documentation specialist. Now, please note this is full-time and remote for the United States, but they are looking for somebody to work 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so kind of like a second shift. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. And as a financial institution, they're looking for somebody to process and generate contracts in a timely manner in the allotted timeframes. So you're reviewing application information and ensuring the customer data on those applications is correct, not missing anything. You're conducting general searches on applicants and updating the client data as needed. You're validating that pre-documentation request that has been collected, and you're reviewing payoff statements for accurate creditor information, account numbers, balances, making sure that the pre-selected fund dates and payment dates adhere to the guidelines, and then you're validating and editing the disbursements. So this is something where people are applying for like loans, consolidation loans, payoff loans, things like that. You're collecting all of that information of the people that they owe, the accounts that are going to be paid off in this consolidation loan. You're making sure that you get all of that documentation paperwork together. Now, again, this one does not require any kind of college degree either. They do prefer somebody who has previous experience in some kind of legal, paralegal. Not required though, as long as you do have a great understanding of the finance industry. You have great communication skills. You can work calmly under pressure. You have like integrity. You can manage sensitive and confidential information with discretion. And you have great attention to detail. Now, this one pays anywhere from $20.67 an hour up to $21.63 an hour. Now, if you're looking for a job where you can do customer service through those like social media messages, comments, you can respond to social media, the company Nutrafol is hiring. Nutrafol has 93 reviews with an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time social media response associate. Now, this is going to be like a 1099 contract position. It is remote for the United States. They do have different days, shifts, times available that they're looking for someone. It is in the top of the job description. But they are a vitamin company and they're really looking for somebody to work with their digital manager to develop a strategy for responses for their social media. So you are going to engage in their online community, responding to comments in a timely manner, and you're identifying, monitoring, and responding to all reviews and comments on sites such as Instagram, TikTok, Google, Facebook, Reddit, X, different product review forums that are both paid and organic posts. So you're managing all the social listening tools to monitor any positive comments, respond to them, as well as negative comments and topic trends. You're trying to keep the company's name in a positive light online. So if any negative things are being said, you definitely want to respond to those, trying to help turn that frown upside down, basically, and help that customer have a better experience with the company, with the product. Now, this company does make like vitamin type products, but basically, you are taking your learnings from all of the customer feedback. You're really trying to find trends or take any of that customer feedback and incorporate them into a content plan. So you're really monitoring, recording, analyzing, and summarizing anything you learn from your communications through social media with the different customers. Now, they're looking for somebody who has 2 to 3 years of customer service or social media experience, somebody who has a great copywriting skills, so you have great grammar, punctuation, you know how online social media works, you're familiar with different response tools like Hootsuite or things like that, and you can have consistent and reliable performance in all your assigned tasks. So you can work in like a fast-paced environment, but pay for this one is a straight $32 an hour. Now, next up, we had AAA Club Alliance hiring. Now, AAA Club Alliance does more than roadside assistance. They do travel things as well. They have 583 reviews with an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a corporate travel online support agent. Of course, this is work from home. Even though this is work from home, you have to live in one of their hiring territories. And if you look over here on the side, they are in 13 states. So those 13 states are where they are hiring in. And they are looking for somebody to work 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll have to convert your hours if you're outside of that time zone. Pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but can go anywhere from $16.10 an hour up to $30.86 an hour. But basically, they're looking for somebody to help provide online travel booking support. You're managing various queues efficiently, responding to calls, emails, assisting travelers with booking inquiries. So you're going to book different reservations for them or help them book different reservations like airplanes, hotels, car rentals. So you're just responding to domestic and international price quotes that they might have. They might want to know what it's going to cost, what are different options, and then you're going to promote acceptance of fares, rates, and suppliers. So you're basically going to have to stay informed with different airline rules and regulations as well, getting through like TSA checks, things like that. You're just all things helping them book travel. No college degree is needed for this one either, just a high school diploma or GED. And they do want somebody who has worked at least 4 years in some kind of travel consultant or travel capacity. So you are experienced with like airline ticket exchanges, how that system works, different online booking tools, and somebody who has worked maybe in corporate travel before. And last but not least, the time is among us. After the holiday season, we'll go right into tax season. H&R Block is hiring for a seasonal position. They have 8,400 reviews with an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a seasonal quality assurance analyst. It does say that this is remote. And as a quality assurance analyst, basically they're looking for somebody to make sure that their software and hardware implementations are functional, specified by business requirements. So this is not going to be a call center type quality assurance. This is going to be more of a business quality assurance, making sure the software is working. So this is going to take someone who has a technical knowledge. You're writing test plans, use cases, test strategies for documents, staying in compliance, and basically executing end-to-end functional tests utilizing automated tests developed by others to make sure that the software and the hardware at different H&R Block offices is working. So you're directly inputting the required documents, reviewing, giving feedback based on product documentation and understanding of any customer issues. And you're creating work plans for personal goals, designing and communicating both technical and non-technical audiences. So you're kind of making sure that documentation is in place on how to use software. You're just contributing to the end-to-end product testing strategy. So every year, especially like H&R Block software, it has to be updated, right? You are updating different tax codes. The tax codes change every year. So the software goes through updates and you're testing and implementing, making sure that everything is working. There's no bugs in the software. So you're help troubleshooting and supporting all the tax offices by phone and all of that, chat, email, anything else. Only requires a high school diploma and 3 years of some kind of related work experience, but no college degree. And pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $29.42 an hour up to $44.13 an hour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.